It's a fun with Linux. They made an Ubuntu-based distro, just like Windows 10. Actually you don't have Windows features here, but at first look must have a flavor like Windows 10. Heavily customized theme, nothing special here. Look that version. Start menu, file manager, software center, network connection, workspace and even Windows virtual assistant Cortana. All applications are from Ubuntu, but they look like Windows 10. Games, graphics, office, sound and video all have Windows 10-like icon. It's like Windows Command Prompt or CMD. But actually it is Ubuntu Terminal. It's an application provides weather update like temperature, humidity, pressure and wind speed. The power icon have options like Windows, shutdown, restart, hibernate, log off etc. Date and time tray also like Windows 10. The Ubuntu Software Center may confuse you with Windows 10 Microsoft Appstore. It is full-featured Ubuntu Software Center. What are in the computer icon? It is Nemo File Manager, version 4.4.2. In the virtual assistant, it's look like Windows 10 Cortana, but here it is an assistant, but can search only in system. Show and select workspace like Windows 10. It may be helpful for new user. For workspace default, can be added more. In the control panel like icon it is actually system setting from Ubuntu. Here a notepad-like application and really fast and easy like Windows Notepad. If you want to have fun with operating system, you can try this.